to everybody. Today I'm back to place where I found yesterday quartz veins. Okay, and yesterday when I came, I took some samples. I took it from here, I took it from here, three places. And I don't have any gold. When I did test in this side, it looks like quartz is just empty, nothing here. But when I came and took it from this area, few rocks I took it, was gold. So today I decided to take a little bit more samples and see. I go up, see where is more of this rock. So like you see here, quartz vein goes at the same vein, and over here a lot of brown stuff. Okay, so and this place I was on that particular place, in this brown stuff I got a gold. So now I be not taking nothing from here, from this side, because I already tested. And yesterday I was breaking rocks, testing at home. I didn't see nothing there, no gold. So no point looking. So now I need to get samples. All this line. Over here a little bit I see tiny pieces quartz, so I need to do the test for those ones. They are decomposing, but they have some kind of fluids, gold fluids. Long time ago was flowing here and they precipitate the gold. So right now I'll be taking from this area, from this all black brown stuff. And you know how this works. When you see big quartz, normally this is first eruption, when it's a lot of quartz comes out from the earth underneath, and this normally never contains a gold. And gold normally is on the last ones. You see, this is a lot of stuff eruptions was. Here a lot of brown stuff, some kind of, but this is not a quartz, so gold is not here too. And I be right now getting ready to collect samples in 2 or 3 bags, little ones, and write a number 1, number 2, and if I found something up under hill, then I'll be way behind. So we'll see. Let me start taking and we'll see what we get it. And I think I maybe take what this on the side, brown looking stuff. Okay. Yeah, maybe something can be, but I didn't take it yesterday. But potential that they have gold. Okay. So let's get me hammer and start breaking. So I'm breaking all this next to the big one. Take all those little quartz. Don't need a lot. Okay, I leave it for next time if there is gold. So right now I collect what I needed. Like those, you see? Okay, so especially need to separate, because you don't make mistake later on when you be crushing. You will figure out which one contains the gold The next time you come and go straight to that place and follow the vein. Vein can be 1 mile that way, and who knows how deep, I don't know. So if they contain a gold, normally gold is very small, but sometimes you can find pockets which one is very rich in gold. So I already one time found it. My first videos when I make it, there was from the pocket. There was like 5 grams and what that much amount of rocks, 5 grams of gold. So here of course I don't see that much, but we will see what it is at home. I need to do the test. So 1 bag, 2 bags, and over here be 3rd bag somewhere. So need to figure out. You see the cords are going like this. Always follow that line, separate. Then if in one of those bags be gold bearing quartz, then I next time come and pick it up just that. Okay, cut all this line next to the big quartz vein, and I collecting all those little things. Okay, broken quartz, and already have some. Okay, and we'll see at home. Okay, this is like they have something inside. So that way I'm not taking big ones because big ones don't have gold. Normally with those kind of tiny ones contain something. Okay, I don't know do I found something now, but yesterday was here some gold, but yesterday I was taking little. Here it looks nice, so we'll see what we have. Okay, maybe that dirt I put it in too, so I pan it, we'll see. And dirt, if there is released gold, so they be in that dirt too. So everything in the same bag. Okay, so let me finish with one, then I go open another one. So I finished collecting 3 places. 1, 2, 3, and I think for today enough, because one of those places have a gold yesterday. You see how easy to break it is, breakable everything. Oh, and quartz between them, at least yesterday's quartz have gold. So if I found it, I need to go all the way up. Today I go check it out over there too, what's going on. But like I say, I open here on the side is quartz too, you see. So it's dirty ones, but there contains a gold, maybe. Okay, see the quartz coming again and continue in that direction. But for right now, this part. Okay, so right now put everything in the bags, all bags separate 3 bags, and that much from everyone, and we'll see what we get it. Okay, this is big ones. I don't think so this is contains a gold, because this is not it's some quartz, but it's okay for right now. Okay, if you see the big quartz, don't even touch it. They don't have a gold, because all eruption when everything went up, at first came big quartz like this. See how wide ones, and then last ones underneath the me is the quartz veins, which one contains the gold. So don't want to go up. It's too complicated for me, but let me check if worth going, then okay. Okay, all time is already dig this area, you see, big hole. And this is a view. Okay, now I'm at home. I started testing those 3 quartz veins. This is next to the big vein. Okay, I crush it, 2 rocks. Which ones looks like potential? I don't have any gold. I crushed those 3 rocks. I got some gold. I didn't test it yet, this one. So I crushed a little bit more these rocks in the middle. Remember, in the middle was. So I took it those ones, and we have a gold. Not a lot. So right now I want to show you. This is like from this much rock, okay? I crushed that much rock or something. So right now it's crushed, not completely, but I be classify to 80 mesh, and I go pan it. I try to show you what I get. Much I got it, classify material, and now I go pan it, and I want to show you what we have. Okay, so I be panning. Gold is always heaviest material in this place. I'm not collecting dust yet, or maybe I need to collect the dust too. I'm taking the dust out and putting in the separate place, because can be microscopic invisible gold here. And let's see. And now I be panning. Dust I already collected, see, and I panning. Keep in mind, we don't need all this material, so that way I panning. I get just heavy material and gold if there is something, and then I do stannous chloride test. Dissolve in aqua regia. If I don't see nothing, I don't even do aqua regia. So this is gold. It's very small, but let me pan it and then I show you. Finish panning. I try to show you that gold, how small it is. You see that it's about, they have only bigger piece in the center, and here another 2 pieces, 3 pieces in the center. Over here 3 pieces and 2 on the sides. So that much gold. And here little of those dots is a gold. Okay, so main thing, cut in the vein, when you found the gold, so means all that vein, if you follow that vein, you get the gold. Okay, so it doesn't matter how much you get it, not even little is okay, good result. So in that middle vein is gold. So that vein can be long, like mile or 2. So you just need to follow that vein and just take that quartz, which one is in that vein, and then you need to have a crushes, everything, and that way you can recover a little bit more gold. But right now I just testing. So for me, main thing is to figure out which vein contains the gold, and right now I found it. So I still have one more vein to test it, but main thing, I already found it. So now every rock I crush it, there is like 1 or 2, 3 specks of gold. Maybe it's invisible gold, I don't know. So this is I be testing separate the aqua regia. So right now I do for you chloride aqua regia test with this gold, very little, and we will see what kind of colors was gives. that little amount of gold. I transfer all material. You see how little amounts I'm working for, because I don't want to dissolve all the rock which one don't contain the gold. I just need a little bit. This is hydrochloric acid. I putting little bit, okay, few milliliters, and sodium nitrite, okay, almost the same, and that's it. And now I'm putting on the heat. Let him work, okay. Let's put more heat and let him work. By that time, till it gets hot and everything, I tested third one. Right now, that bigger one tested, no gold. Here is gold. I guarantee every rock contains 1 or 2 specks, because that gold juice was flowing that in the side of quartz vein. And I want tested this ones right now. I'll be doing test. We'll see on the right side do we have 2. So wish me luck. So I'm happy I found the gold, and right now we just need to find ways pockets of gold. And normally if you found a pocket, you get like 3 to 10 grams of gold from like 1 pound. That'd be best thing. So but in those rocks, maybe it's like half a gram of gold, not more, because you know, when juice flows, they just make wet, and when dries out, they precipitate gold, and I getting that little amount of gold. But if there is some kind of pocket, I found a pocket something, then there be little bit more gold. So right now I'll be doing the test on this one, on this one. This don't have gold, this have gold, this I don't know. Right now I'm doing. Okay, this is third place, but not looks like too good like that one. That have gold, this I don't know. So, but you see, this kind of tiny quartz can be some gold. So I be crushing this much. Maybe one looking better looking. Okay, so let's see. That much gold, quartz, and we will see do we have any speck of gold. Okay, this is a bigger piece, and those little ones, you see, the tiny ones. I wish they have gold. Then I'd be very happy. So this is third place, and in few minutes, when I finish panning, I will know that third place contain gold or not. If it contains, I'm very lucky. Okay, now, moment of sure, need to 2 hands. So what I can say, this is no gold. I check it, there's no gold in third place. So our gold is in the middle of that quartz vein. Okay, far from thick one. So now, next time I go, I'll be collecting just in that area and try to go deeper and see how deep I can go. So now I know where to look for gold, and I'll be taking all that quartz home. So the action almost over. So right now what I do, I'll be adding some potassium, no, not potassium, urea. Okay, adding urea. You see bubbles coming. Okay, let him finish. Okie dokie. You see how little amount I'm working. That way I'm not wasting my chemicals, and I figure out where the gold is. And just need to cool it down a little bit. It's too hot. Okay, putting here, have some water. Let them stay for a while. Few seconds. Okay, and then I getting my stannous chloride. Let's take it out. Little bit cooler, be fine. stannous chloride, and we will see what concentration of gold. You see? Purple. Okay. You see, I don't lie. This is our gold, guys. In that third place. Purple. See purple? Recognize this color? If you see this color, you have gold. And how much you can get it, it depends of you how much money you have, because you need to have a rock crushers, you need to get the claim, you need to dig it, crush it. Then you can, when you have already everything ready, you need to have shaking table or something and get that gold out. And then you can have not bad results. But kada we have gold, you see by yourself, purple. Okay, so from those all three, and this first one next to the big vein, remember? I took it and not even put some dirt. I was thinking maybe dirt have some gold, but no, not even dirt don't have gold. This is where the gold is, okay? And this is pay dirt, let's say. This every rock supposed to have some little amount of gold. You see how they looks? Okay. This is gold rocks, and gold is next to this brown stuff. Okay, there is a gold fluids. You see that brown stuff? Not in the quartz inside, but in that brown stuff. Okay, so I'm lucky now. I know where to look for gold, and now I just need to figure out how much gold I can get it. So I'll be working on this, or this and this goes on the road. Good, because I have where to put it this. Those ones I'll be crushing tomorrow in the morning, and we'll see how much I recover gold. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.